Cybersecurity is evolving faster than ever. Attackers are becoming smarter, security operations are becoming more complex, and organizations today don't just need analysts who know theory. They need professionals who can operate in real environments, handle incidents in real time, and think like defenders under pressure. That is exactly why we built the next generation of BCAD. BCAD BlackPerl Certified Advanced Defender has already helped hundreds of professionals build careers in routine security operations, incident response, and threat hunting. It has become one of the most practical and hands-on cybersecurity defender programs in the market, designed not just to teach concepts, but to make you job ready. And today, we are proud to introduce BCAD version 2, a completely upgraded and enhanced version of our flagship defender program built to match the exact realities of modern SOC detection and incident response teams. One of the biggest additions in BCAD V2 is an entirely new security engineering module. In this module, we take you beyond simply using security tools. We teach you how security teams actually deploy and manage enterprise security infrastructure. You will learn how EDR solutions are installed and configured, how policies are deployed across endpoints, how security controls are enforced in production environments, and how detection engineering starts from proper tool deployment. Because great defenders don't just use tools, they understand how those tools are built, deployed, and operated. We have added two completely new deep dive operational modules focused on real-world SOC workflows. The first module covers 3 to 4 modern alert triaging scenarios using Splunk. Not theoretical examples, not outdated labs. These are practical detection scenarios designed around what a real SOC analyst faces daily. You will learn how to investigate alerts properly, what telemetry to validate, how to analyze logs, how to identify false positives versus true positives, and most importantly, how analysts are expected to think in real environments. But investigation doesn't stop at triage. What happens when an alert gets escalated? That's where our second deep dive module begins. We take those same alerts and show you how incident response teams handle them after escalation. You will perform deep incident response triage, endpoint investigation using EDR, live analysis techniques, host-level forensic validation, and decision-making during active incident containment. This gives you full visibility into both sides of the workflow, from analyst detection to incident response execution. Our threat hunting module has also been massively upgraded. We have added new modern hunting scenarios, including MFA fatigue attack hunting, ransomware hypothesis-driven hunting, and even an introduction to ML/data-driven hunting methodologies inspired from our advanced THP certificate program. Now, THP remains our highest level specialized threat hunting certification built for professionals pursuing dedicated L3 threat hunting careers, but with BCAD V2, we wanted to give aspiring L3 security engineers and defenders a strong exposure into advanced hunting methodologies, so you begin thinking beyond alerts and into proactive defense strategy. And finally, because modern defenders must adapt to the future, we have introduced an entirely new module on AI for security operations. In this section, you will learn how SOC teams can leverage AI platforms like ChatGPT and Gemini effectively, how to use AI responsibly in analyst workflows, how to build automation pipelines using N8N, and how to defend against AI-generated and AI-assisted threats emerging in modern attack landscapes. BCAD V2 is no longer just a blue team course. If your goal is not just to learn cybersecurity, but to become the kind of defender organizations trust in real incidents, BCAD V2 is built for you. This is not theory, this is not checkbox training, this is real operational cybersecurity. Welcome to the next generation of defenders. Welcome to BCAD V2.